In this video, we will understand isotopes, isobars, and isotones. As we know, atoms are made up of three fundamental particles. These three particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. The number of these three particles is different in different atoms. For example, carbon and oxygen. Carbon has 6 electrons, 6 protons, and 6 neutrons. Oxygen has 8 electrons, 8 protons, and 8 neutrons. When the numbers of these particles change, new types of atomic species are formed. These atomic species are of three types: isotopes, isobars, isotones. Let's understand each one in detail. Isotopes. Isotopes are atoms that have the same number of protons, but the number of neutrons is different. For example, protium and deuterium. In both these atoms, the number of protons is the same, but the number of neutrons is different. Because of this, the chemical properties of these atoms are the same, but their physical properties are different. Isobars. Isobars are atoms that have the same atomic weight but different atomic numbers. In isobars, the numbers of electrons, protons, and neutrons are all different. However, the sum of protons and neutrons, which is the atomic weight, remains the same. For example, carbon-14 and nitrogen-14. In this example, the numbers of electrons, protons, and neutrons are different, but the sum of protons and neutrons, which is atomic weight, is the same. Isobars have the same physical properties but very different chemical properties. Isotones. Isotones are atoms in which the number of neutrons is the same, while the numbers of other subatomic particles may be different or the same. For example, oxygen-16 and fluorine-17. In this example, the number of neutrons in oxygen-16 and fluorine-17 is the same. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe our channel.